Okay, let's really quickly do a matrix instead of a table. I'm just going to create a new report. And now we've got a new report, and we just quickly add back in our data source and our data set. And now we're going to do a matrix. And notice when we right click, see it still says tablix, just like the other one did. So when you right click, whether you're using a table or a matrix, it says tablix. And it makes you think, oh, well, it's the same thing, and everything looks very similar. The filters, it's very, very similar looking. But there are little gotchas here and there where it's different. For one thing, notice it only gave us 2 columns instead of 3. So at least that will tell you, like if you accidentally clicked one or the other, if it's 3 columns, it's a table. If it's 2 columns, it's a matrix. But anyway, let's just quickly give it some data. And let's give us some space here for clicking. Okay, now just make sure everything's hooked up. Yep, there's our data. And let's just real quick make that header, since the header is what we're fooling with, let's make it more visible. Okay, so there's the header. Now, one thing that's really strange, and see this already, this is going to be different. See, if we go down here and select the advanced mode, oop, nothing changed down here. There's no advanced mode for the tablix. Only the table has the advanced mode, which means we have no way to get to those properties where we set it, the header so that it would scroll. So when we see now, it scrolls off the page, and when we go to the next page, the header's not there. So how do we do that here? Well, with this, we have to go to the tablix property page, and on the general tab, there's this row headers, repeat header rows for each page, keep header row visible while scrolling. And this is for the row headers, and this is for the column headers. We want the column. A row would be like if we're doing a pivot table. So this is, and the thing is, what's really weird is for the table, these choices are there too. They just don't work. It's really weird. And if you go on Google, there are people pulling their hair out trying to figure out, they keep trying to figure out how to do this with the table when really they've got to go into those hidden things, or they're trying to do they're like, where are my hidden values for the matrix? Well, no, you got to come in and use these. So now when we hit OK, and we go to there, so now, see, now the scrolling is fixed, and now the paging works. So magic. That's the difference there. One of the differences, the little ticky differences. That's it.